Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You gotta love a Cheez-It. I sure do, and I'm gonna be making Cheez-It Chicken. It's a recipe I found in this book, A Man, a Can, a Plan, a Second Helping. A book suggested by my friend Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. But look at this, Cheez-It Chicken. I've gotta try it. I've got a can of evaporated milk that I'm gonna put inside of this gallon Ziploc bag. And a splash of lemon juice. I've got some chicken breast tenders that I'm gonna put inside of that bag. Now I'm just gonna let this chicken marinate in the bag for 2 to 8 hours in the fridge. Well, now it's Cheez-It time. Let's crush half this box. Oh, those poor Cheez-Its. We're gonna need 3 bowls. In the first bowl, we need half a cup of flour and a little pepper. Mix that in. The second bowl gets 2 eggs, cracked in. Give them a whisk. And the third bowl gets the Cheez-Its. Now grab that chicken, let's coat it. Flour, egg, Cheez-Its. This is fun. Now you just put it in your oven, 375 for about 30 minutes. They look great, and they're done. I've heated up a can of chicken gravy in the microwave. Now you just put some of that gravy right on top. Cheez-It Chicken. It tastes just like fried chicken, and it has a nice cheesy aftertaste. It's awesome. I put Cheez-Its and pepper on my chicken, but what would a gymnast add? A little summer salt.